Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create progress bars and change the color of the cells if percentage changes. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. For example, we need to change the color of the cell if the task progress indicator falls below 25%. Creating a progress bar. You can see more details on how to create a progress bars in this video. Select the range of cells where you want to display the progress bars. For example, if your percentage are in cells C to C12, select this range. Click on Conditional Formatting, choose Data Bars and select the style you like. With the range still selected, go back to Conditional Formatting, click New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula to identify percentage lower than 25%. For example, if your percentage are in column C starting from row 2, equal sign C2 is less than 25%. Then click Format and go to the Fill tab. Choose red as the fill color. Click OK to close the Format Cell dialog. Click OK again to close the New Formatting Rule dialog. Make sure your new rule is listed above the Data Bar rule in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. Click OK to apply the changes. After completing these steps, we will see a progress bar that will turn red if the percentage falls below 25%. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.